Morning, Mr. Jan and Ma'am Imelda. We're now at the septic tank. We start putting the foundation with concrete and the form bars. We'll be using this design for the foundation of wall for the CHB laying. This will be put below before the CHB. And today they will deliver the necessary form bars for the mat footing, including the form bars for the column post. So these are our stirrups for the column post, and this is the stirrups for the beam. And we will use this acetylene for the 20mm column post to be bent. We will be using this acetylene. And this one will be used for the when we pour the 35mm mat footing. We will use this partition in order that the ready mixed concrete won't flow. Today is January 12th, Tuesday, second day of our mat footing preparation. This is our CHB number 6.